Use an M3 wrench to remove the seat. Push the seat cushion forward. Take off the seat. Find this motor wire. Cut off the thermoplastic tube above using a blade. Unplug these two interfaces. Cut open these zip TIs in several places. Unfasten this cord. Pull out this yellow line. Disconnect this connector. Insert this old thread from top to bottom. Pull down below until you pull out this line. Thread the new replacement line from the bottom up. After arriving here, use your fingers to pull out the end of the thread. Pass through the rubber plug. Align the holes, then connect. Connect the new yellow line head to the controller. Reinsert the line according to the original color sequence. Insert the hook facing right into the bottom until it cannot be pulled out. Give it a push with the tool. Barb facing up. Above are black, white, and red. Turn over, yellow, green, and blue. Align it with the hole and insert it. Turn on the battery and test whether the throttle is normal. If the test is normal, you can arrange the cables. Insert the rubber plug into the hole. Restore the tie. Sun cable TIs. 1 stick, 2 sticks, 3 sticks. Then tie the lower tie back. Align the two protrusions with the two grooves. Push back. Then replace the bottom screws and you're done.